Welcome to your beginner flexibility routine, designed to help you stay flexible, move with ease, and feel your best every day. Whether you are just starting your fitness journey or simply want to unwind, these gentle stretches will improve your range of motion, reduce stiffness, and support overall mobility. We'll start with neck rolls. Drop your chin to your chest and slowly roll your head in a circle, easing tension from your neck and shoulders. After a few breaths, switch directions. Now, lift your shoulders up toward your ears, then roll them back and down. Move with intention, relaxing tight muscles and improving posture. Stand tall, hang at your hips, and fold forward. Let your arms dangle and soften your knees if you need to. Feel the release through your hamstrings and lower back. Step your feet slightly wider than hip width apart and sink into a yogi squat, bringing your hands to heart center. Use your elbows to gently press your knees apart. This opens the hips and strengthens the ankles. Sit down with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to fold forward. Reach toward your toes or rest your hands on your shins. Feel the gentle stretch through the backs of your legs. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees drop out to the sides. Hold your feet, sit tall and gently press your knees down. This is a great stretch for your inner thighs and hips. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale as you arch your back and lift your chest. Exhale as you round your spine. Flow through a few rounds to warm up the spine. Now rise onto your knees for camel pose. Place your hands on your lower back or heels. Lift your chest and gently lean back. Open through the heart and stretch the front body. Lower down into child's pose. Knees wide, arms forward, forehead to the mat. Take a few slow breaths. This is your space to relax, ground, and let go. Amazing work. Flexibility isn't about touching your toes, it's about tuning in, letting go, and showing up for your body. Keep practicing, stay kind to yourself, and enjoy the journey. Thanks for stretching with me today. See you next time.